So thank you for your time to talking with me today. So first, I want to ask you about your study habits. So what's your typical study routine like?
I usually start my study routine by reviewing my lecture notes. After that, I check all the assignments I need to do and make a plan for which one I should first finish the first. Yes, like this.
That's a really good study routine. And do you have a favorite place to study?
Sometimes my favorite study is the campus library because it is quiet and it is comfortable and it helps me to stay focused.
That's really good. Do you prefer studying alone or with friends?
Uh, most of the time I study alone because I can concentrate better. But I also enjoy studying with my friend when I need help or when we want to discuss something together with my other friends.
That's a good balance. So moving on, I want to ask about organization or club. Do you join any organization or club?
Yes, I'm a member of English Student Association, or you can call ASA, in Chocra University.
So what made you want to join that organization?
Oh, uh, I joined because I want to try something new, and I join more activities and make this, and I want to make new friends, and I also want to improve my English skill, and it's outside in the classroom like this.
That's nice. How has joining club helped you personally? Help you? How has a joining organization helped you personally?
Uh, so joining the organization has helped me to become more confident, especially when in speaking in front of others like this. And I also learn how to work in a team. And of course, I want amazing friends who support me. Like you can see that my friends in here. I think that's all.
Yeah, that's great. Thanks a lot for sharing your thoughts.
Okay, no
It's
problem.
really nice to meet you.
Yes, thank you for the interview.
Thank you.